Viruses are always changing, and that can cause a new variant or strain of a virus to form. A variant usually doesn't affect how the virus works. But sometimes they make it act in different ways. Scientists around the world are tracking changes in the virus that causes COVID-19. Their research is helping experts understand whether certain COVID-19 variants spread faster than others, how they might affect your health, and how effective different vaccines might be against them. When viruses infect you, they attach to your cells, get inside them, and make copies of their RNA, which helps them spread. If there's a copying mistake, the RNA gets changed. Scientists call those changes mutations. These changes happen randomly and by accident. It's a normal part of what happens to viruses as they multiply and spread. Because the changes are random, they may make little to no difference in a person's health. Other times, they may cause disease. In this video we will take a look about the different COVID-19 variants which has existed as of today since the pandemic start. The Alpha variant or B.1.1.7. In late 2020, experts noted gene mutations in COVID-19 cases seen in people in southeastern England. This variant has since been reported in other countries, including the US. Scientists estimate that these mutations could make the virus up to 70% more transmissible, meaning it could spread more easily. Some research has linked this variant to a higher risk of death, but the evidence isn't strong. The mutation on the alpha variant is on the spike protein, which helps the virus infect its host. This is what COVID-19 vaccines target. These vaccines make antibodies against many parts of the spike protein, so it's unlikely that a single new mutation in the alpha variant will make the vaccine less effective. Beta variant or B.1.351. Other variants of the virus have been found in other countries, including South Africa and Nigeria. The beta variant appears to spread more easily than the original virus but doesn't seem to cause worse illness. The Gamma variant or P1. In January 2021, experts spotted this COVID-19 variant in people from Brazil who'd traveled to Japan. By the end of that month, it was showing up in the US. The Gamma variant appears to be more contagious than earlier strains of the virus, and it may be able to infect people who have already had COVID-19. A report from Brazil confirms that a 29-year-old woman came down with this variant after an earlier coronavirus infection a few months before. Some early research suggests that the variant's changes might help it evade antibodies made by your immune system after an infection or a vaccine that fight the coronavirus. A lab study shows that the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine can neutralize the fast-spreading Brazil strain. But more research is needed. Delta variant or B.1.617.2. This variant was spotted in India in December 2020. It caused a huge surge in cases in mid-April 2021. This highly contagious variant is now found in 43 countries including the US, the UK, Australia, and Singapore. It's the dominant strain in the US and the UK. Research suggests that changes to the spike protein may make the Delta variant up to 50% more transmissible than other COVID-19 variants. For people who haven't had the coronavirus vaccine, the Delta variant may cause more severe illness than the original strain of the virus. Vaccinated people may also get what's called a breakthrough infection, but they are less likely to be seriously sick or to die. The relatively low rate of vaccination in some areas of the country is the main reason that the Delta variant has been able to spread so rapidly and shows no signs of slowing down. Getting the vaccine is the best way to slow the spread of the coronavirus and protect yourself against serious illness or death. The Mu or B.1.621. Experts first spotted this COVID-19 variant, pronounced Mayu, in Colombia in January 2021. Since then, countries in South America and Europe have reported outbreaks of Mu. In the US, the CDC says Mu reached a peak in June 2021 when it made up less than 5% of variants going around the country. As of early September, it had been steadily declining. Still, scientists continue to track Mu. As of September 2021, the CDC hadn't escalated Mu to being a variant of interest in the US. The agency intends to keep tracking it along with the other variants. The R1 variant. Scientists first detected R1 in a number of countries, including Japan. There was an outbreak at a Kentucky nursing home in March 2021 when an unvaccinated healthcare worker passed it to about 45 other staff and residents. The WHO labeled it a variant under monitoring in April 2021, meaning some of its characteristics may pose a future risk to humans. As of September 2021, the CDC hadn't labeled R1 as a variant of concern or interest. That's it guys, hope you liked this video.